Hey everyone, here's a video showing the blooming hybrid yuccas. Take you for a little walk. Let's see, what do we got? This first one over here, this one back here. This one is a Yucca filamentosa crossed with a Reverchoni thompsoniana specimen from Texas. So it's got the somewhat narrow leaves, rigid, and the blooms are more filamentosa-like. And you can see it's got a long pistil. So that's the trait of the Reverchoni thompsoniana. There's a better pistil. So a decent little hybrid. Let's see what else we got. This is a similar cross. This one is Yucca filata crossed with the Reverchoni thompsoniana. Take a look at the blooms here, the flowers. Very elongated pistil. See how long that pistil is? Definitely a trait of the Reverchoni thompsoniana. Here's an oddball yucca. This one is Yucca constricted crossed with filamentosa as the seed parent. And then Benny over in Europe sent me some pollen of bright edge crossed with glauca. So it's got a lot of genes in it, and actually there's two specimens. You can see this one here. You see the leaf shape? It's almost has a U shape to it, versus the other seed grown is more standard, like a filamentosa type leaf. So these are from the same seed batch I grew out. Shows you got to grow them all out and see the differences. Let's take a look at the flowers. This has an interesting flower. Look at this. Look at the pistil color. See that? It's totally green. See that? Definitely coming from the glauca trait. So I put some pollen last night. You can see my little ties from a filamentosa crossed with Rostrata. This guy over here, it's got a huge massive bloom. So hopefully those will take. I'll have some interesting seed. This one, like I said, is the same seed batch as this one, even though the leaves are totally different. The blooms are totally different. Look at the blooms. The one on the right's more like definitely has some glauca in it. The branches on the inflorescence is short. They're short. The main stem is shorter, whereas these guys are massive. This is a very thick bloom stalk. Look how thick this baby is. It's my thumb. Huge. And this baby's going up. Up, 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 up. Look at that guy. And this has a totally different pistil than the other one. See, take a look. See that? It's not green all the way to the end of the tip. So, interesting. That's why you got to grow them all out. What do I got over here? This one is filamentosa crossed with Rostrata. And I back crossed it with another filamentosa crossed with Rostrata. So it's got Rostrata on both sides, the seed parent and the pollen donor. And this bloom is just massive. I mean, this thing is sick. Look how big this thing is. This is a nice yucca. Let's take a look at the pistil. There's a pistil in there. A little elongated from the Rostrata gene. Good looking. And this is actually the same seed batch. Another filamentosa cross with Rostrata, and I back crossed it again with filamentosa cross with Rostrata. But you can see the difference in leaf color, length. The one on the right has far longer leaves, and the bloom clearly shorter and not as wide, smaller in all aspects. Take a quick look at the pistil here. Not much difference. Slightly elongated from that Rostrata gene in there. So got some nice hybrids going on. Well, thanks for watching, everyone.